Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Rahi, and in this video I will discuss about the quality assurance programs of government hospital or any hospital or college, medical colleges. And there is a program like Suman, that is the Surakshit Matritva Ashwasan. And the vision of this program is to create a responsive healthcare system which strives to achieve zero maternal and infant deaths through quality care provided with dignity and respect. The goal is to end all preventable maternal and newborn deaths, and objective is to assure dignified, respectful and quality healthcare at no cost, and zero tolerance for denial of services for every woman and newborn using the public health facility to end all the preventable maternal and newborn deaths and morbidities and provide a positive birth experience for pregnant ladies. So this is the vision, goal and objective of Surakshit Matritva Ashwasan, that is called Suman. In this, the objectives we will discuss about objectives to provide the high quality medical, surgical and emergency care services in a dignified and respectful manner as per Suman service packages at no cost, and to leverage institutional and community based platform to help create awareness in the community on the entitlement under Suman, and to strengthen the grievance redressal mechanism by incorporating client feedbacks to orient services providers and build their capacity for delivering human packages, to ensure the reporting and review of all maternal and infant deaths. Beneficiary of initiatives the program Suman is all pregnant women, all mother up to 6 months post delivery. All sick infants are also included in Suman. And this is the Suman is status of assessment, cross assessment and internal assessment and US assessment done or not done or in process. This is a demo of status of Suman program or initiative, we can say that. So these are the objectives, goals of Suman program, that is Surakshit Matritva program. Surakshit Matritva Ashwasan. Thank you.